Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I prepared my ackee and saltfish. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. So here I have my clean ackee. I removed the seed, the pink tissue or vein from my ackee. Always clean your ackee before cooking. So now I'm just gonna place my ackee in the boiling water because I want it to get a little bit soft. And I'm also boiling my saltfish because I want to remove some of the excess salt. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use for ackee and saltfish. Onion and garlic, my cooked ackee, bell peppers, my tomatoes, my deboned saltfish, vegetable oil, my black pepper, thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper, and scallion. So now I'm just gonna place my onion in the hot oil. Now I'm just gonna place my bell peppers in. And I'm just gonna stir that a little. Now I'm gonna place my scallion. My tomatoes and garlic. And also my thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm just going to combine all of that together. And I'm just going to leave it for a couple of seconds before I add the saltfish and ackee. So now I'm gonna add my saltfish. Always debone your saltfish before using. Just gonna combine the saltfish with the seasoning. Then I'm gonna add my cooked ackee. And I'm also gonna add a little black pepper. Then combine everything together. And there you have it, guys, my ackee and saltfish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and share with a friend. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.